Hello and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. You're watching Newsprint and let's look at the updates that made the headlines today. Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu makes a groundbreaking visit to Gaza during a 4-day pause in Israel-Hamas war. Declaring determination for victory, he emphasized Israel's commitment to achieving war goals. The ceasefire set to expire on Monday midnight, facilitated the release of hostages and involves a potential exchange between Hamas and Israel. Meanwhile, Hamas reported significant losses, including the death of key leaders during Israel's offensive. Indian ambassador to the United States, Taranjit Singh Sandhu, faced a hostile reception from Khalistani supporters during a visit to a New York Gurudwara. In a video shared on social media, the crowd accused Sandhu of involvement in assassination of Khalistani terrorists Hardik Singh Nijjar and Gurpatwant Singh Pannon. BJP leader Manjinder Singh Sirsa condemned the hecklers as goons, emphasizing the incident's contrast with Sikh values. The confrontation comes amidst heightened tensions between India and Canada following Nijjar's killing and echoes a similar incident involving the Indian High Commissioner to the UK in September. The Indian Ministry of External Affairs has expressed concern over the safety of its diplomats and called for preventive measures. Telangana's BJP unit chief G. Krishna Reddy announces the party's intention to rename Hyderabad as Bhagar if it comes to power in the state. Drawing parallels with renaming cities in other states, Reddy emphasizes the historical significance of the old name, asserting that Hyderabad was renamed during Nizam rule. This declaration follows a similar statement from Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath during recent poll rally in Telangana, where he expressed the BJP's commitment to renaming the city. The proposal aligned with Yogi's track record of renaming cities in Uttar Pradesh. In a frenzy at Gadak's new bus stand, male passengers were seen scrambling for seats, resorting to desperate measures like attempting to climb into buses through windows. The Shakti Yojana caused chaos as passengers keen to get seats struggled to board the bus in usual way. Even women passengers joined in the unconventional boarding, reflecting the urgency among travelers. Amidst this, on the backdrop of Gauri Hundime, there was a notable surge in the number of people heading to Savadatti Yellama temple. The bus driver played a crucial role in managing the situation, intervening as male passenger tried to enter through windows. Bengaluru police apprehended Dr. Chanan and lab technician Nisar for allegedly conducting approximately 900 illegal abortions over the last 3 years, charging around 30,000 rupees per procedure at a Mysore hospital. The arrest followed the earlier detention of the hospital's manager and receptionist. The investigation unveiled a sex determination and female feticide racket initiated with the arrest of Shivalinga Gowda and Nayan Kumar in Mandya. The ongoing investigation aims to identify additional suspects involved in the illicit activities. Gujarat Titans have appointed Shubman Gill as their captain for the upcoming IPL 2024 season, succeeding Hardik Pandya. Gill, who joined the franchisee in 2022, expressed his delight and pride at leading the team known for its exciting brand of cricket. The 24-year-old batsman with a stellar record in the IPL played a key role in Titans' title win in 2022 and the runner-up finish in 2023. Titans director of cricket Vikram Solanki praised Gill's growth as both a batter and leader, expressing excitement for the team's journey with the young captain in the helm. Well, that's it for today. For more latest news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.